I've been told I'll have to pay for a service charge for shared ownership. What exactly does that cover?
So on top of your mortgage and your rent, you'll have your service charge. That is a sort of accumulated cost for the services. So whether it's cleaning of your communal areas, whether it's gardening, window cleaning, your building insurance, and management fees, that's all calculated into one big fee. And then, you pay that as a service charge.
So how are these costs calculated?
Calculated yearly, and it's at the end of each financial year. And that is so that we can review last year's costs, make sure we're getting value for money for the future forecast. Allowing us to do that is going to make sure that we don't underspend or overspend, make sure it's as accurate as possible for you.
How often will I have to pay for this?
Like I say, the yearly service charge cost is calculated, but then you break it down into 12 monthly instalments. So you pay it monthly.
Okay, great. Is there anything else I should know?
So as part of your service charge, there's a part which is called a reserve fund or a sinking fund. That is a small chunk of your service charge, which is kept aside and it's used towards any sort of big future works.
How do I know that this is all going towards stuff that I'll be using?
It's purely for your services. There's no profit made for Peabody. It is just to cover your services and the contracts with them.